PQRS is a parallelogram. Parallelogram is that figure where the opposite sides are parallel and equal. Parallel and equal, that's why it is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. This is parallel to this one is parallel to this one. Fine. Side are 13 and 5. Its area is 52. So I know area, if you drop a perpendicular to this, height is h. So what is the area of parallelogram? It is base into height. Sorry, let me write the formula. Base into height is the area of parallelogram. So 13 into h is equal to 52. H is 4. This is perpendicular distance. Height ये होगा इनके बीच में perpendicular distance. So this is coming out to be 4. I know this value is coming out to be 4. This is coming out to be 5. ये वाला distance जो है वो 5 है. तो ये वाला distance क्या होगा? This distance will be 3. Is it fine? Because from here you will drop a perpendicular. This comes out to be 3. Now it is given point x and y are on the longer side q, pq and rs respectively such that px and ry, px and ry, px is equal to ry and xy is perpendicular to the longer diagonal. The longer diagonal is qs and there's something which is perpendicular to this. It is given that xy, this is perpendicular to it. So I know this point is coming out to be x is on the longer side, y is coming here. This is d, this one is also d. Is it fine? Both of their length is coming out to be same because px is equal to ry, that is what is given here. So length of this is d, this one is also coming out to be d. xy is perpendicular to qs, that is what is given. Find the length of px. Px ki length kya hai? From this we already know that this is parallel to this one. This is 90 degree. Can I say this angle is equal to this one angle? You know, wherever the z is forming, it is known as an interior alternate angle. Yeah, ulta z1. This is known as an interior alternate angle. I know this angle will be equal to this one angle. Dono angle barabar ho gaye, 90 degree ho gaya. This second angle will be also equal to this second angle. So I know these two triangles are similar. If the triangles are similar, I know their length will be also same. This is 13 minus x, 13 minus d, sorry. This will be also 13 minus d now because that is coming out to be d. Already given था कि वो equal है. वैसे भी 13 minus d होगा. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? If the opposite sides are equal, I'll say this length must be equal to this length and this length must be equal to this length. Now I will connect it with this one. इसको connect कर लेंगे. मैं extra इसे दूसरे पेन से draw कर लेता हूँ. I'll connect this one. आप कह रहे हो सर क्यों connect कर रहे हैं? बताता हूँ. 2 मिनट दीजिए. I know if I'm connecting with this value, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. These two values are equal. This is common. Can I say both of them are congruent? Congruent का मतलब होता है एक ट्राइंगल के ऊपर दूसरा ट्राइंगल बिल्कुल फिट बैठता है. मतलब if the two sides are equal, this side is common side, this is common side, these two sides are equal and the angle between them is also coming out to be same. From side angle side, I can say the triangles are congruent. Triangle congruent मतलब अब ये सामने वाली side is also equal. This is 13 minus t. Is that fine? This side is also 13 minus t. Why? Because once you know that the triangle are similar, both the sides will come out to be same. Now apply a Pythagoras theorem. 13 minus d square is equal to 4 square plus 3 plus d square. So I know it is d square minus 26d plus 169 is equal to 16 plus 9 plus 60. D square get cancelled out. This become 32d is equal to this is 25. 25 is 144. 16 9s are 16 2s are. So d comes out to be 9 by 2, which is 4.5. So what is the length of px? That is 4.5.